Okay, hello and welcome. In this video, we are looking at another free online resource for searching for a domain. Right now, we find ourselves at leandomainsearch.com, and this is find a great available domain name for your website in seconds. And all you do, you start up with enter a word that you want your domain name to include. And we've been working with funnel, so let's go funnel. And we are going to search domains. And what Lean Domain Search does is it takes your one word and then it found over 3,629 available domains containing funnel. And it will search them. It will do various things. It will sort them by either popularity, by length of the domain name, and alphabetical. And also you can either choose all or starts with the search term or ends with search term. So what it does is if you use the word funnel like I did, it will have variations where some of them it'll put funnel at the beginning, some of them will put funnel at the end. Right now we're searching by popularity, which means according to Lean Domain Search, the stuff that's at the top is probably more popular based on funnel home, social funnel, funnel line. Now if you're looking for short, we can start sorting out by clicking these options. So say instead of popularity, we wanted to search on length. And now it will take and give us the shortest domains it found using funnel. Of course, these aren't as exciting. X funnel, HD funnel, any funnel, bar funnel, day funnel, E funnel. Or alphabetical. If based on this, you can go if you wanted to have something started. So abacus funnel, above funnel, academy funnel, and all the way down, and it'll keep going to B's bottom line funnel, bootstrap funnel. A lot of options. Now, say you wanted to only have domains where your funnel was your last word or ends with funnel. So we click down here to ends with search term. And now we can double sort it. We can sort it by popularity, length, and alphabetical, and then whether we want it doesn't matter if it's first or last, but if we want it to start with the term we searched for, in this case funnel, or end with the search term. So let's go with popularity, but we also want to end with the search term. So now it's only going to show us what it considers the most popular, but with funnel at the end. So social funnel, find funnel, USA funnel, wiki funnel, no, simply funnel, silver funnel. If we wanted to go by length, now again, X funnel, we saw these before. If we wanted to do start with search term, now everything is going to be funnel. And you notice that it'll tell you how many domains it's available based on your search terms. So let's go popular and start with funnel. So the popularity, we have funnel home, funnel line, funnel planet, funnel mart, funnelville, funnel server. All these options. If you wanted to change your word, it's just as easy as going up here and saying, well, earlier we did WordPress. So let's do WordPress and we search domains again. And again, it found 3,766 domains. It starts and it defaults to popular sorting with all. If you want to quickly change it, go to ends with search term, and you can see it goes down. Travel WordPress, bio WordPress. If you wanted it to start, now it's WordPress game, WordPress card, WordPress capital. All these will be available as long as they're green. And if you click on one, it will actually check and see what your registration options, also based on if a Twitter handle is available as well. So here you can actually do a little social media searching for your domain and what else you can use for it. And here they give you more options. You can go with Bluehost, GoDaddy, Network Solutions, and what my choice normally is, I'm going to pull this up here. So Bluehost, GoDaddy, Network Solutions, Namecheap, and that's secret here, but I like to use Namecheap myself. But any of these are fine if that's what you like to use, because in the end, and again, like any other domain search, they make their money when you click through their link to go and register. If anything, you can use these Lean Domain Search like any other online search resource. Make a note of the ones you want, and then later you can go and register the domains you want. So there you go, leandomainsearch.com.